13 months home warranty girl. Today here I'm with Simone Wu, my daughter, and Avery Wu.
Hi.
So we're here just to let you know we have a cool promotion coming up. So any buyers that will be closing within April 1st until June 30th, they're all going to be getting all this cool stuff. Take a look at it. This is the Hive hub, and then we also have the Hive door or window sensor for your home, and this is for your active light for the house, and the plug itself, and the last thing is the Amazon Echo Dot. Isn't it pretty cool? So anything that is closed between April 1st until June 30th, we will send this to your buyers for the welcome kit gift. So please remember Yunita Wu, Home Warranty America, your home warranty rep for your 13 months home warranty. My phone number is 213-880-4085. I'm looking forward to be working with you guys, and please don't forget to send me your buyer's email address so we could be able to send all these gifts to them. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.